EasyLift equipment's counterbalanced drum transporters are designed to lift and transport steel, plastic, or fiber-chimed drums. EasyLift equipment has developed an extensive line of ergonomic drum transporters since our original model was awarded a U.S. patent in 1997. Our line of counterbalanced drum transporters seen here are generally used for special applications such as picking or placing drums from the side of a pallet or reaching into containment cabinets. This drum transporter features a 3/4 inch stroke when pumping the foot pedal all the way down and allowing it to travel all the way back up during each foot pump. Both the EG1 single clamping mechanism and EG2 double clamping mechanism are available for this drum transporter. Before using the transporter, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines and fittings to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that functions are in proper working order. This includes lifting and lowering. Once testing is complete, disengage the foot floor lock and begin application. To pick a drum, push the drum transporter to the side of a pallet, ensuring the clamping mechanism is below the drum's chime. It is recommended to apply slight forward pressure as you raise the clamp to ensure a solid grip. Continue to pump the foot pedal until the lower clamping jaw engages with the chime of the drum. The weight of the drum will activate the mechanism, causing the upper jaw to clamp down on the chime, securing the drum. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance before transporting the drum to its destination. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. To lower the drum, press softly on the small pedal. The lowering pedal is pressure sensitive, allowing the operator to control the speed of descent. Pressing down too hard on the lowering pedal can cause the drum to lower rapidly. Continue to pump the foot pedal, allowing the pedal to travel all the way up and pressing completely down to achieve the full 3/4 inch stroke. The model seen here features our Darkcore PSE ergonomic casters, which help decrease the push and pull forces and allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. Counterbalanced drum transporters are available in weight capacities from 400 to 800 pounds in 100-pound increments. The reach provided by the counterbalanced base frame makes this unit ideal for placing drums in cabinets, onto containment pallets, or under pumps. This model is also perfect for placing drums on the side of pallets, scales, or containment pallets where the corner of the pallet is not accessible. The narrow 24-inch width of these models enables positioning drums in a straight line and/or removing any of the drums from the line. All models lift the drum a minimum of 20 inches for picking or placing on pallets, floor scales, or spill containment pallets. We offer additional lift height options to elevate drums as high as 60 inches above floor level, contingent on equipment configuration and capacity. The counterbalance frame provides approximately 4 inches of reach with a single clamping mechanism and 3 inches of reach with a double clamping mechanism. Reach is defined by the front of the transporter's wheel to the back of the drum. Standard models are steel construction with safety yellow powder coating for durability. Additional FDA-approved metallic gray powder coating, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction, are available for food and pharmaceutical applications. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and lower chains. As stated earlier, to achieve the full 3/4 inch stroke when raising the clamp, it is important to press the pedal all the way down and then allow it to travel all the way back up during each foot pump. When achieving full stroke, it takes approximately 24 foot pumps to raise the clamp to its maximum height, as seen here. The EG1 single clamping mechanism is designed for steel and plastic chimed drums. The EG2 double clamping mechanism is recommended for working with open-top drums, plastic or fiber drums. There is a specific procedure for clamping fiber drums. Please consult the manual for the best method for handling fiber drums. Switching out clamping heads is an easy process consisting of first using the foot pedal to raise the clamp to a comfortable height, then removing a circle cotter pin as well as a single stainless steel retaining pin and sliding the clamp up and out of the mast. Next, remove the circle cotter pin and stainless steel retaining pin from the new head and install it into the mast, lowering it to the desired height. Reinstall the stainless steel retaining pin and circle cotter pin to secure the clamping head into place. The clamping heads are also adjustable to handle shorter height drums by removing the same circle cotter pin and stainless steel retaining pin and raising or lowering the clamp position on the mast accordingly. Our ergonomic step-down foot floor lock is easy to engage or release and acts as a parking brake when the transporter is not in use. When operation is complete or you plan to step away from the equipment, always engage the step-down floor lock. Leaving the transporter unsecured may allow it to move inadvertently and cause property damage or personal injury. Additional options include scale systems for verifying weight or performing inventory, as well as a handbrake. In addition to manual, alternate powered options are also available, including DC powered, pneumatic air tank, AC powered, or air over hydraulic. When finished, always place the drum transporter in a safe location, lower the clamp, and always engage the step-down foot floor lock prior to walking away from the equipment. We offer a 30-day free trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.